In this tech tool tutorial, I will show you how to use the Globe at Night app. I suggest you use the dark background display for easier viewing on your smartphone. Open the app, and the first thing to do is to add the date and the time. Then, for location, it should automatically be generated by GPS, but if for some reason it doesn't, type it in. Next, add location comments as needed. Include observations that might impact visibility, such as nearby lights. Then match your designated constellation to one of the 7 magnitude drawings. Choose the faintest star that you can see in the sky that is on the chart. Then choose the amount of cloud cover at the time of observation and add sky condition comments as needed. Once you have completed your entry, you can then just click the submit button.